Every exam window, I know of a lot of US CMA students from India that fail the exam, not because they don't study enough, because they keep repeating these 5 mistakes. Today, I'm going to tell you about each of these 5 mistakes, and particularly, I think mistake number 4 is one of the most common ones. Come, let's have a look. Number 1, treating CMA like a college exam. Look guys, this is not a college exam where you can wake up last minute, आप short notes ले लीजिए, उससे पढ़ाई कर लीजिए, आपने थोड़ा बहुत रट्टा मार लिया और वो आपने लिख दिया, आपने कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस मार्क करवा दिए, कुछ पार्ट्स सिलेबस के कर दिए, कुछ छोड़ दिए, बिल्कुल नहीं. It's not going to work, right? This is a very application based exam जहाँ आपको पता है there is a mix of multiple choice questions and structured questions, right? So it's very very important that you don't treat this like a college exam, and you really will be able to understand the difference between how you write your college exam versus how you write this professional exam once you have a mentor explaining this to you, okay? So first things first, this is not a college exam. Number 2, ignoring the essay style questions. Now I know a lot of students who place a lot of emphasis on multiple choice questions and they do that part very well, but then they don't really pay enough attention on the structured part, which is again is very very important in the exam. So how to read the structured questions, how to write it in a timed manner, right? How to articulate, how to use the right vocabulary, how to present the numbers. This is very very important. So as much as importance as you place to practical multiple choice questions, please ensure you're also giving that much importance to structured questions. Number 3, not doing enough mocks. Now I think not doing a mock exam and straight away going and appearing for a CMA US exam is really like going to a war and not having weapons with you, right? You're just not used to doing a 4-hour exam, are you, right? So how are you going to sit 4 hours out there? How are you going to manage your time? How are you going to manage your pressure? How are you going to sort of allocate time between every question? Now all of this is a lot of trial and error. You're ekdam se it doesn't go right in the exam. So it's very important guys कि आप at least 2 से 3 से 4 mock exams देखो timed environment में, and maybe have a mentor who can supervise when you're writing that exam, who can exactly guide you how to spend those 4 hours. This is really important. Now mistake number 4, okay, not building up for the 4-hour exam. Now I think this is the most common mistakes I know of a lot of students. या तो ऐसे कुछ students होते हैं जो बिल्कुल mock practice नहीं करते और straight away जाते हैं exam लिख देते हैं, वो तो बिल्कुल recipe for disaster है. और कुछ ऐसे students होते हैं जो पूरी पढ़ाई करते हैं, फिर end में 2-3 mock देते हैं, 2 mock देते हैं 4 घंटे के, और फिर exam लिखने जाते हैं. मैं आपको बताऊँ वो भी एक recipe for disaster, and I'll tell you why. Are you used to sitting in one place for 4 hours and doing an exam? No, college में भी 4 घंटे का exam नहीं होता है, right? तो you need to build up guys, you need stamina, right? तो कैसे build up होगा? तभी build up होगा जब आप you are writing smaller tests by the time, throughout your study period. So for example, you may have written a test on, let's say you're studying the first part, you may have written a text on section A, then you may have written a test on section B, one on section C, then maybe one test is required where you combine A, B and C, then maybe one on D, one on E, and then you mix those sections. So you need to attempt tests which are going to be spanning over 1 hour, then 2 hours, then 3 hours, and then eventually get to 4 hours. That build up is so important. So if you've got a good mentor who's actually working with you on how to build up, तभी आप जाके एक अच्छे से मॉक लिख पाओगे और फिर आप एग्जाम लिख पाओगे. नंबर 5, नॉट कवरिंग द एंटायर सिलेबस. आपको पता नहीं आपका क्वेश्चन कहाँ से आने वाला है एग्जाम में. ये कॉलेज एग्जाम नहीं है कि आपने कुछ सेक्शंस अच्छे से कर लिए, कुछ सेक्शन छोड़ दिए. वी डोंट नो, एंड यही डिजास्टर होता है एग्जाम में. आपको पूरा सिलेबस कवर करना है, अज्यूमिंग के प्रोबेबली एवरी सेक्शन या एवरी पार्ट से एक एग्जाम में क्वेश्चन आने वाला है. सो दिस इज अनदर मिस्टेक दैट अ लॉट ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स मेक. So guys, as you all know, the CMA US exam is a very conceptual exam. आपके multiple choice भी questions होंगे. The options are going to be very very thin line of difference. तो आपका conceptual clarity एकदम मतलब laser sharp होना चाहिए, right? Your ability to read the question, correctly interpret it, understand what the examiner is trying to ask, ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. So guys, इसको आप रट के just mugging it doesn't happen. You need to conceptually understand things. You need to do a lot of questions. You need to make your mistakes, and then only then you'll be able to crack the exam, right? Another very important thing, this is an online exam. आप अभी अपने colleges में जो exam लिखते हैं वो अभी भी paper pen है. तो you have to be able to sit in front of the computer. भले a large part of it is multiple choice, but those structured questions भी है. So you have to get used to doing this online exam for 4 hours, which will obviously need that kind of preparation. Another last but very important point, as you all know, the pass criteria of this exam is that आपको 100 MCQs आएंगे. You need to get at least 50% right to be able to move to the next section of the exam, जहाँ पे आपके 2 structured questions होंगे. And overall 500 marks में से you need to get at least 72%, which is 360. बहुत students को ये लगता है कि यार 50% MCQs right आ गया मतलब मैं पास हो गया. नहीं, आपके 50% MCQs राइट आए तो आपके सिर्फ नेक्स्ट सेक्शन के लिए एग्जाम की जो विंडो है वो खुलेगी एंड आप स्ट्रक्चर्ड क्वेश्चंस कर पाओगे, बट इन ऑल आपको 72% लाना है टू पास. सो यू डोंट हैव टू लुक एट अ 50%, यू हैव टू लुक एट अ 72%. तो जब आप अपनी तैयारी भी कर रहे हैं ना, आप या यू आर डूइंग दोस प्रोग्रेस टेस्ट, यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग ऑन योर ओन, एटलीस्ट माइंड में ये बोलो कि मुझे 80% कम से कम राइट आना है, तब जाके एग्जाम में आपके 72% राइट आएगा. डोंट हैव दैट 50% इन माइंड, व्हिच इज व्हाट अ लॉट ऑफ इंडियन स्टूडेंट्स हैव. अवॉइड दीज मिस्टेक्स एंड यू आर ऑलरेडी अहेड ऑफ मोस्ट CMA aspirants. If you want to go to the next level, check out our full playlist, which is packed with a lot of tips to help students like you ace the CMA exams. Subscribe now because your CMA prep needs an upgrade every week. And hey, if you think CMA, you know whom to think. Think Synthesis.